Your entry is going to be one of the most important parts when it comes down to trading, especially day trading. It can mess up a lot of other components that you need to add to your trading, and I'm going to show and explain to you what I'm talking about here in a second. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and join the family. We're going to use Tesla as our example, and the first thing you're going to want to do is put in your support and resistance lines. After you put in the support and resistance lines for whatever stock you're trading, if it's trading in a range like this one, you're going to want to wait and let it choose which direction it's going to trend in. So you're just going to have some patience and wait, and that's exactly what happened with Tesla today. Tesla started to trade in a range, and then about an hour and a half after market opened, it finally broke the support and chose a direction. So how do you know if this is a strong move downwards? You're going to want to take a look at your volume. Look how heavy this volume is in comparison to the rest of the volume bars around it. You're not going to want to chase the move. You're going to want to give it time so that you can get a better entry. And after it finally chooses its direction, you can use that old support as a resistance. And that's one thing you guys are going to want to learn, is that sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes old supports will turn into new resistance and vice versa. So after it finally makes that move, your entry would have been somewhere around here with the risk level just somewhere above right here, because we know if it cracks that, it could have a potential reversal. But if not, this will be a well executed trade. Just this first bubble just gives you an indication that the stock is finally starting to choose a direction and there's a potential opportunity ahead. So that's going to be it for this video. Just a quick little crash course, and I really hope this will help a few of you guys that are still confused on entries. If you're new to the channel and like to be around more like-minded individuals, the second link in our description, it's a Discord chat, so feel free to join, and that's free to anybody if you just need a little bit extra guidance. So if you're new to the channel, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe, like, and just let me know in the comments anything you'd like to know next. I appreciate your time, and we'll see you guys in the next video.